Hello Sony and also ZEISS friends. In Germany we say ZEISS. Welcome to the review of the ZEISS 55mm f1.8. The price is about 800 bucks. Not cheap, but robust. Now let's start. Yeah, let's start with the body itself. It weighs 280 grams or 10 ounces, which is 100 grams more than the Sony 50mm f1.8. You won't find an AF/MF switch, unfortunately. It only works internally, but you have a very solid body with a large focus ring. I couldn't find any chromatic aberrations. If you disagree, please write a comment below. Many photos from this video are available for download. You can find the link in the video description. Also, in terms of vignetting, a really good performer, this 55mm lens. I can recommend the internal correction because it does a really good job. Yes, at f1.8 you can see some dark edges. These dissolve within some few seconds using Adobe Lightroom. Lens flares, yes, there are some. You have to look really hard for them, sometimes in the middle of the sensor, sometimes at the edges, but basically you can say almost not existing. The next topic is about sharpness. Whether you shoot at f1.8 or f4, the spot will always be in focus. If you can't get sharp photos, you either have a broken lens or you're doing something wrong. You can download these pictures, the link can be found in the video description. I have been taking pictures with this lens for almost 3 weeks now on my Sony Alpha A7 III with a fast working out of focus system. In video mode, the lens sometimes pumps if you don't have any contrast or in darkness. What I did to compensate this, I enlarged the focus field. If you need a lens in your camera bag, it's this one here. At least if you're primarily taking portraits. Thanks to Micah, Roberto and Ozan, the focal length is ideal for shootings and also filmmakers. Have fun with the following scenes. You can use this lens to focus on certain details with the 1.8 aperture. Whether you're a portrait shoot or taking pictures of a product or out in the nature, you set the spot wherever you like. This lens provides the sharpness by default. I enjoyed these kind of macro shots. However, you're not getting too close with 50 centimeters or 1.5 feet if you consider this as a macro lens. As you can imagine, the bokeh is excellent at f1.8 and this focal length. Very soft and round bokeh balls make the heart of every bokeh friend beat faster. Really cool lens for night shots under natural light. The focal length for portraits and details. If you only want to have one focal length with you, you might be right with this one. It is compact, a bit heavier than the Sony version, but very solid and the sharpness is impressive. Ideal for food bloggers, portrait photographers or filmmakers. I'm very curious about your opinion. There's plenty of space for it under this video. This lens is available at GM Photo in Frankfurt near the Central Station. Thanks for watching and see you soon.